How to stop hair loss naturally, the onion juice for hair growth remedy. Hair loss is caused by a myriad of factors, and as such, there's not a one-size-fits-all solution available. With that being said, there are a number of home remedies that works very well to mitigate against hair loss while providing an environment that promotes hair growth. This video will provide you with one of the best home remedy for hair growth and thickness. I should preface this section by saying that no amount of remedies or potions can help you. If you do not take the necessary steps to protect your hair from damage, this means that you should only use natural and chemical-free products, refrain from using hair dryers, curling irons, etc., and make sure that you are getting adequate amounts of vitamins and minerals such as biotin, zinc, and vitamin Bs. Now let's take about the natural home remedy that you can use to stop hair loss naturally and promote hair growth. Onion juice. There are hundreds of YouTubers that swears by this remedy. If you search on YouTube for onion juice for hair, you'll find quite a number of videos showing before and after results of massive hair growth. But why does onion juice help with hair growth? There are a few reasons why onion juice can provide you with amazing hair growth results. Firstly, it is rich in dietary sulfur, which is a key ingredient in the optimal production of proteins and enzymes. This means that onion juice plays an important role in the development of new hair strands, since the protein keratin is made from sulfur, which onion juice provides. Secondly, onion juice is a rich source of antioxidants. So by adding it to your scalp, it helps to protect your hair from free radical damage which could otherwise cause hair loss. Here's how to use the onion juice hair growth remedy. You'll need 1. A blender or grater. 2. A cheesecloth. 3. Organic coconut oil. 4. A mason jar or contain with cover. Preparing the juice. Step 1. Using a blender, chop about 3 large onions and place the chunks into the blender. If you have a NutriBullet, this would work best. Add 3 tablespoons of organic coconut oil to the onion chops inside the blender and then blend until you get a thick liquid. Step number 2. Pour the onion juice and coconut oil mixture into the cheesecloth over a bowl to strain and remove large debris. Step number 3. You should now have a clean liquid that you should place in a container with a lid, mason jar, that is good for up to 2 weeks. Step number 4. Bonus. You can add an essential oil such as peppermint or lavender to help combat the smell of the onions. How to use the remedy. Step number 1. Firstly, wash your hair with a mild, preferably organic shampoo to remove dirt and grease from your hair. Step number 2. Using a cotton ball or dropper, add the onion juice you just prepared to your scalp and use your fingertips to massage it in to make sure it penetrates every part of your head. Step number 3. Put on a shower cap and let the juice stay in your hair for at least 60 minutes. Step number 4. Wash and rise your hair thoroughly. That's it. Using this remedy, a lot of persons have reported growth of up to 2 inches in their first 30 days. However, if you wish to see similar results, you must be consistent with your application. For best results, it is recommended that you use this remedy a minimum of 3 times per week. If you like this video, so please don't forget to make a like and subscribe. Thanks.